What is up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well today. As you guys can tell by today's video title, today we have an Asos spring clothing haul. I am super excited for this video because I managed to find some really cute bits on Asos and I can't wait to share them with you guys. As always, if you guys see anything that you like, I'll have all the links in the description. I got you, girl. And let's just say this time around, I went on a little bit of a mad shopping spree, so let's get straight into it. Alright, so first things first, we have this dress right here that I've been really eyeing up for a couple of months now, and I finally decided to purchase it to try it out. As you can see, the design of it is really interesting, and because I'm heading off to Japan, I've been trying to find like really nice put together looking dresses that are still kind of modest, just because I am planning on visiting a lot of temples whilst I'm out there. So this one I felt like was really appropriate. Here it is. First things first, the color is absolutely perfect. It's like a vanilla kind of color. This is from a brand called Scalpers. I have never ever heard of this brand before. This is how it looks. As you can see, it's got a V neckline and then it has these super cool bat wing kind of sleeves, which definitely kind of remind me of like a kimono. I absolutely love the embroidery on it. I feel like that's what really sold me to this dress. I just love this segment here. The waistband is so cute, and then the panel of like the embroidery kind of follows down to the bottom of the dress. The actual waistline of the dress is elasticated, meaning that it's going to be nice and fitted but still really comfy. I feel like this dress right here literally screams spring, so let's go try it out and see if this suits me. Alright guys, so here is the first dress and what it looks like on. I've got to say, this is definitely a lot more like grown up than what I'm used to wearing, but I do really love it. I genuinely just feel so like sophisticated in this dress. It's super well fitted. I'm obsessed with this waistband. I do feel like maybe it's a little bit too plungy. Like, it's not showing an awful lot of chest, but it's definitely not as modest as I probably would have liked. But still, it is super pretty. I just love how like feminine it is. The waistband is just perfect. It fits so well. It's making me look so snatched. I also feel like it's a really nice length, this dress, just because you can show off like a nice pair of shoes whilst wearing it. You don't have to rely on wearing heels with it or anything like that. So yeah, it's perfect for like wearing this with flats. And that's the kind of dress I was after, because I already know I'm not really going to be wearing heels when I'm going away. In fact, I never really wear heels. Like, that is just not my vibe. I'm all about comfort. So yeah, I'm obsessed with this dress. I'm definitely going to keep this. This is such a vibe. All right, now switching things up a little bit, we're now going to be trying out a very casual kind of outfit that's more tailored towards wearing at home or just to run errands. It is this baby pink sweatshirt kind of set. Obviously, these two items do come separately, but they are meant to be worn as a co-ord. So yeah, it's kind of like a mix and match thing that Asos does. So let's open up the sweatshirt first. I've actually been looking for a really comfortable sort of like jogger set that I can wear on the flight to Japan. I don't know about you guys, but whenever I'm flying, I feel like comfy attire like this is the way to go. And I've got to say, this feels so soft. Just feeling the fabric, I can already tell I'm keeping this. This is going to be perfect for my trip. It's also such a spring appropriate kind of color. It's that baby pink. It's very muted. It's not too in your face. And I just love how minimalistic and simplistic it is. It looks like the sweatshirt won't be too long. I don't know about you guys, but I swear that like a lot of these jogger sets that you get on the high street are always so long when it comes to like the sweatshirt. It always goes like past your bum, but this one seems like a normal length. Like, it's literally just gonna hit my hip and that's gonna be perfect. As for the bottoms, these are, again, like I said, jogger style type of trousers, but they are not cinched in the bottom, which I feel like looks a little bit more elevated when it comes to jogger style pieces of clothing. I feel like that relaxed trouser leg definitely makes it look like something you would wear out and about rather than just in the comfort of your own home. It's also got pretty nice deep pockets so you can put your phone in. It then has a concealed drawstring on the inside, and the waistband, it feels really nice and stretchy. I mean, as soon as I saw the color and felt the fabric, I was already sold, but let's go try it on anyway and see how this fits. Oh my gosh, guys, I didn't even realize, but not only do the trouser bottoms have pockets, but wait, the sweatshirt also has pockets. Are you kidding? I don't think I've ever seen a sweatshirt, specifically not a hoodie, that has pockets. Like, that is news to me. I don't know why every brand doesn't do this. Like, why haven't more sweatshirts got pockets? I just don't understand. And how have I lived without pockets in my sweatshirt? I'm genuinely in love with this. You are looking at my airport outfit right now. It is so comfy, you guys. Like, I genuinely feel like I'm in my PJs, but somehow I still look put together. The trouser legs look so cute, kind of like perched over my little Uggs. I absolutely love this little combo. This is definitely staying with me. I'm just so in love with the quality of it, and like the fit is really, really nice as well. So I'm giving this outfit a 10 out of 10. All right, now the next item we're going to be trying out is another co-ord kind of set, but this time it's a little bit more dressy in my opinion. It is this one here. So as you can see, it's kind of like a linen type of fabric set. It comes with this really cool shirt as well as bottoms to kind of match. Again, you can't buy these together, they're sold separately, but you can obviously mix and match, which is great. I think instead of the trousers, they also have like a shorts option, but I wanted the trousers just because I wanted to, again, be able to wear stuff like this to more like respectful locations such as temples whilst I'm on my holiday. So first up we have this shirt, which looks like this. I got this in an extra small. I probably could have sized up, but I wanted to actually wear this as a shirt that's like buttoned up rather than like an overthrow shirt. Yeah, I really, really like this. The fabric feels so nice and breathable. And then we have the trousers. I am mostly excited about these because I just love trousers that are super like breathable. The thing is, right, these are kind of short in my opinion. I have no idea if these are gonna fit me right, but they do look more like culottes rather than trousers. I'm gonna try these on and give them a chance, but if they are a little bit too short, I probably will send them back. But either way, let's go try them on and see how they fit. Okay, so here is the two-piece kind of linen set, and I mean, as soon as I put this on and looked in the mirror, I kind of thought, I feel like I'm wearing pajamas. I don't know if that's just how I'm wearing it, but like genuinely these trousers are really not that flattering, especially like the bottoms. I also feel like the shirt was definitely a little bit too small for me. I probably should have sized up and had it a little bit more oversized. I just don't think I'm very much used to like a really fitted shirt, which I think is what's throwing me off about this outfit. It is very comfortable. It's not stretchy like at all. Obviously it being linen, it's not gonna have any stretch to it, but I do feel like this could have been nicer if I styled it a little bit better, but as it is, I do think it's not really me and I'm probably gonna send this back. But let me know what you guys think. How would you style this set? I do feel like this could be giving like summer vibes more than spring vibes. Maybe that's what it is. Okay, moving on to something a little bit more bold, a little bit more girly. We have another co-ord, but this time it's in this vibrant pink kind of color. Whenever I see a color like this, it just makes me think Barbie. Is this literally not like a Barbie pink? I absolutely love this color. So first up I have the skirt, which looks like this. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys, this definitely is not like my immediate go-to style, but when I saw this, especially with the top like together, it really looked cute. So that's the skirt, and then we also have the top half. This, I'm pretty sure, is just like a strappy top. Yes, it is. And I mean, it is a little bit, how do I put this? A little bit open. As you can see, you tie it up in the front yourself, so you can obviously decide how much you want to show, but I have a feeling you are going to see bits and bobs through that gap either way, so I'm probably going to wear like a bandeau underneath it. I just thought I would give this a try. I mean, every now and again, I do like to come out of my comfort zone and try things that are not necessarily my style, but I still like on the model. So let's go try this set on and see if we vibe with it. Okay, now this outfit definitely could have been very, very cute. However, it is just way too booby. I feel like I'm literally splitting this top open. So yeah, I definitely don't feel like I'm gonna keep this, and I don't think I could wear this on holiday, especially not to the place where I'm going, because it is quite a modest country. So this would just be like way too much, which is a shame because the color and like the fit of it is really cute. I like the way that the top kind of splits right here and you can see more of the skirt, but I do just wish that I could maybe tie up the front a little bit more and make it a little bit more modest. Sadly, I cannot though. So on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm gonna have to give this like a 2. I mean, the vision was there, but I just cannot. Moving on, the next item we're gonna be trying out is actually another pink item, and it is this dress here from Miss Selfridge. Again, the second I saw this, I just thought this is perfect for spring, but also perfect for Japan. I'm really hoping there's gonna be some cherry blossoms left when I go. And I can just imagine myself wearing this dress with all the cherry blossoms in the background. It would be so adorable. So here is the dress. It's kind of like a baby doll vibe. It's got this little tie front and a square neckline, and then it has this like tiered kind of sleeve to it. It doesn't seem too opaque. That's the only problem. I mean, with this, you're definitely going to want to wear like neutral underwear or some shorts underneath, because I feel like maybe if you wore dark underwear, you would see it through. But at a first glance, this looks like a really adorable dress. So let's pop it on and see how it looks. Okay, guys, this dress is literally everything. I find this so adorable. It's modest enough. I feel like I'm pretty covered up in the chest. It's not too low cut, and I just feel so cute in this. I absolutely love the baby doll kind of shape. It's so cute and girly, and the fact that this has sleeves makes it definitely way more like spring appropriate, because let's be real, spring still gets kind of cold. So I feel like this dress, it gives you the best of both worlds. You could totally wear it with some tights and maybe some like boots as well. So really, this is like the perfect spring dress when it comes to like the style, but also the color. I'm giving this one a 10 out of 10. All right, moving on to the next outfit. We're now going to be trying out this little top with this set. The matching set has like a pair of trousers and also this kind of like cardigan, which is button up. So first up, we have the top. This is from Stradivarius, and I just thought it was so simple, but so cute. I mean, look at all the little buttons. How adorable is this top? I literally can't get over it. I got this in an extra small because I wanted it to be really nice and fitted. And then the little cardigan or shirt, whatever you want to call it, is right here. How adorable is this? I love the little buttons on it. It's just so cute, and I love the color. As you can tell, this kind of color is definitely one of my faves to wear. And then the trousers I went for are these ones, and they're actually from Miss Selfridge again. They're like a very relaxed sort of fabric pair of trousers. They almost feel corduroy, which, I mean, I love a corduroy pant. They're super relaxed and just really like casual, which I love. I just feel like these are going to be such a comfy pair of trousers that you can wear like around the house or going out. So let's go try all of this together. I really hope it looks cute. Okay, guys, this is the outfit of my dreams. Literally, when I think of like my dream outfit, this is it. This is an embodiment of that. It's the neutral colors for me. It's the super wide leg kind of trousers that are fitted in the top but loose in the bottom. It's the center buttoned top and cardigan. Oh my gosh, it just goes together so well. I love the way that it pairs over this sleeveless top. It just gives you a little bit of warmth and an extra layer, but I feel like it would look so cute done up as well, like on its own as an actual top. Let me just show you how that would look, because I just feel like this is the co-ord. I love everything about this. I am totally taking this on my holiday with me. Now, the next item we're going to be trying out is another dress, and it is this one here. This one is from Asos Design. It's called the Sheer Bust Cotton Sateen Maxi Dress in Oyster. Now, the thing about this dress is that I literally fell in love with it, and I just had to get it. But the problem is that they only had this in a size 4. So this might be like way too small for me, but I might be just in luck, because actually it looks very stretchy, which, to be honest, I wasn't expecting this much stretch. I feel like we are in the clear. This is actually gonna fit me. So here is the dress. As you can see, it's a strappy, tie it yourself kind of situation. It's got these cute little bows on the top. The actual bust is this sheared sort of panel, which is super stretchy. And then the dress kind of just comes down into this A-line sort of skirt. It is definitely a very like cutesy cottagecore kind of vibe. I am so here for it. I just absolutely loved this on the model and on the website. So let's go try this one on and see how it fits. All right, guys, and here is the dress. Oh my goodness. Again, I feel like this is the dress. I feel like everybody should get this and try it on, just because I fell in love with this as soon as I put it on. It is so beautiful. It's so nicely fitted. It's very dainty and stretchy. I think it goes without saying, but I am giving this dress a 10 out of 10. I cannot wait to frolic in this dress around Japan. All right, and now the very last outfit we're gonna be trying out is another pretty neutral and simplistic one, but these are the type of outfits that I really enjoy and I just feel most comfortable in. The first item I have is this little vest, which is like a knitted, plain, simple vest. I have been needing way more staples like this in my wardrobe that I can totally dress up with other things on top. The fabric of this is super comfortable and stretchy, I can already tell, and this is actually from Mango. Very plain, very simple, but I just feel like these type of pieces are so essential in anybody's wardrobe. And to go with it, I thought I would be a little bit more experimental and try out a new style of like denim jeans that I've never really tried before. Here is the pair in question. These are from Bershka and they look pretty simple on top. Obviously, you guys know I love my high-waisted denim jeans, but these are the wide balloon style, and this is definitely a style that I've been seeing a lot more. It doesn't really look like much when I hold it up, but when you wear these, your legs just look so wide and just so huge. And also it gives your lower body like this shape, which is really strange. I've got to say I usually like Bershka jeans. They never really miss and the quality of these is really great. So let's try both of these on together and see how they look. All right guys, and here is the last outfit and what it looks like on. I've got to say I am totally here for these oversized trousers. I am loving the balloon kind of vibe. They actually look very cool. I really wasn't sure if I was gonna like these because like I said, they do make your legs kind of come out to the sides quite a bit. But now that I have them on, it's kind of making me think of like Kim Possible because she had ultra baggy trousers like this in my mind. So this is like the light version of Kim Possible. I really like these. As for the top, it is super cute, very simple, very comfortable, totally keeping this, and I'm giving both of these items a huge 10 out of 10. All right guys, so that was everything for today's spring try on haul from Asos. Let me know in the comments which one of these outfits was your favorite, and if you're gonna purchase any of them, I will have all the links in the description. I feel like there was definitely a lot of hits in this video. There was a few misses, but I'm generally very impressed with the quality of everything that I got in this video. I feel like ASOS is definitely sometimes a bit hit and miss with their clothing, as you guys have gathered from like various different episodes of my weird trying on clothing series from ASOS. I don't know how and why, but I'm always finding super strange clothing on there. So if you guys want to see an episode of that very soon, let me know in the comments. But yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you smash that huge thumbs up down below and be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. I would love to have you here. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye! Mwah.